Good morning, Explore with Jason community. As I promised in yesterday's episode, I am publishing the complete time lapse from the Jeep's dash cam from where we left the pavement all the way out to our campsite. I set the camera to record one frame every second, and I'm doing 30 frames per second. So this trip is going to take about 5 minutes. Now, for those of you who are on my patreon.com/EWJ site, you can download the routes that we took in the Jeep both out and also coming back. The place that we selected to spend the night is not an area known for epic landscapes. For this trip, we are in search of dark skies. Now, I've known of this location for years, but I've not had the opportunity to check it out for myself until now. The first pictures I saw of this place, well, it had a lake. The 2 boat ramps that we drove on yesterday certainly support that. Believe me, I would have loved to jump in and go for a swim before we departed, but that was just not going to happen. The extreme drought has drained the lake. Also, no open fires out here. Cooking stoves are okay, but nothing with an open flame. This area did give us the remoteness that we were looking for and the very dark sky conditions that we were banking on. I hope all of you enjoyed yesterday's full episode and this peek into what it took to get us out to the site. Tomorrow, I will post an even longer time lapse of the drive on the trails that we used to get out of the wilderness. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow.
I am tossed. I would tell you of his grace and how it was I fell, but some tales are just too dark to tell. If these green-eyed blues would lighten up, if my nature would shake this wicked spell, if this midnight sky would brighten up, if my ears could hear a voice saying, all will be well, then all is well, all is well. I once was found, but now again I'm lost. On merciless waves I am tossed. I would tell you of his grace and how it was I fell, but some tales are just too dark to tell. Drive down to the ocean, you call it Elmore, and we lay out in the sand. And if the sun was shining, I'd cover you with lotion. Talk about the fine things and forget the second hand. Oh Maria, dance a little closer, close your eyes and don't say anything. Don't believe the sirens on Figueroa. Just listen to Carmelita sing Las Mañanitas, Sweet Maria. If I had a plane, we'd fly to Costa Rica, land atop a mountain and look down on the world. And I'd learn to speak Spanish, we'd Comida Rica, and everything would vanish that we didn't want in our world. Oh Maria, dance a little closer, close your eyes and don't saying